for the second part of this video tutorial for the book, The Good and Small Ambient Guide for WordPress, How to Run a News Website with WordPress. Again, the first part was really thanks to all the people that I've enabled. This experience was tremendous. It has given me the chance to train people and also to write 3 books outside from this experience, and their books are available on Amazon. But let's go back, and all the code is available, and you can see I've divided in 2 chapters. So we were working on this one, and I'm gonna create. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna install the stuff. So create docker-compose and Makefile, and then we will launch the installation. Let's say this is the first step. It will be the second, and this was the how do you say? Or stars, let's say stars, because I'm not using an env5, but I will show you how you can use an env5. So let's go for it. Here we go. We will be there, and there's nothing for the moment. This is where I have created my directory, where I'm going to put my Makefile and my docker-compose. And just to prove you that I'm not cheating you, I can show you in the Finder. Okay, that is the thing is empty. So let's create. But the old-fashioned way, because I'm not downloading, I'm sure that you can grab all the code with the Git Git account or Git whatever. Git, I can't remember. Anyway, I'm going to do the old-fashioned way, just a cut and paste. Okay, so I take that, and then I'm going there, and I do this. And let's say I don't like typing, so I do that, and I say Makefile. Okay, I got my Makefiles, and then I go back to Git, and I grab the docker-compose, which is the second one, the file that I need. There we go. Oops. And then I remove this. And so, because it's not part of, does not belong to this file, and then I can save it as docker-compose. This is always the same name, okay, just to be sure I'm here. Yeah, there we go, and so we can see it, and I've put some icons so you be sure that it's a docker-compose, and here it's a Makefile. And as you can see, I'm not using an env5, so I've written down, and it's all ambient stuff. I've written down, I say hard-coded, we can say that, all the stuff required to be the more educational as possible. Okay, let's go back there. And I think I have one thing to show you is that the env file, you can use it if you want. I made another tutorial and another book, and then in this distribution, which is about conception, I've used an env file. So as you can see, my my docker-compose has changed. I'm using value instead of that, instead of hard-coded things. Okay. And then all these elements are there. Okay. So I invite you, I'm not going to dig into this, but you can for sure improve the way you launch Docker. Okay. So anyway, we're coming back, and don't forget to launch Docker. Okay. So you need to install it, and you can find thousands of documentation if you do Docker download. Okay. You have Windows, and you have also Mac. I think this is the official. Yeah, okay. Boom, boom. You go there, and then you got you got everything that you need. Okay? It's very easy. It may take, well, we're gonna launch it right now. I'm gonna stop talking, and we're gonna go there. So I need to open the console. I'm not scared. I'm a big boy now, so I can go into the console. Okay, I will go and put it somewhere here, and then bigger. Okay, annoying me. So as you can see, I'm here with my Docker things. I'm exactly at the same place as here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make start. So it may take a time because I have an internet connection, and I'm going to download all the stuff. So let's launch it. So as you see, he's trying to download first MySQL, etc., etc. So I'm going to let this video go because it's downloading, but I will stop it and I will come back when it's done. Okay, this is a pretty boring part, so I may cut it off. I remember when I was in Zambia and some other place, sometimes Docker doesn't work because there's no enough broadband or bandwidth, sorry. Broadband bandwidth. I mean, there's not enough bandwidth to download all the stuff. So be careful. And sometimes MEMP is better because it's all local, so you don't have to download anything. But here I'm talking on a more product owner point of view, on a more pragmatic way than on an architect. Most of the architects, people who are thinking about application, will go for Docker because virtualization is shareable, maintainable. It has many assets. You have thousands and thousands of articles and posts about the advantage. So let's do it and be quite modern and use Docker. So I will stop the video and I will come back in a minute when it will be done. I'm just coming back to this page. Okay, so see you in a minute. Thank you for watching anyway.
you.